Okay. So the theme that I'm going to share you today, which works only for POD, right? I'm giving you that particular theme, which is not available in the market. Okay. Normally we have a theme called as Brooklyn theme. I'll show you that. That's a free theme that is given by Shopify. Okay. That's the best theme for starters. That's a free theme, which is called as Brooklyn. Okay. BROKYLN. That's a Brooklyn theme, which is a free theme. Okay, I asked my coder, my freelancing coder, to make it a better version of it. So I paid him some money. So he made a better version of that particular theme. Okay, with my which is exactly with my taste. Okay, so that's converting better only for POD people that I'm going to give you today. So how do you work on it? And I'm going to tell you that, and I'm also going to tell you the pricing strategy of t-shirts. If you're okay, let's start with that. So let me first give you the link of that particular theme. I'm also going to tell you how do you use it anyways. Uh, okay, I gave it in the chat box. Just go ahead and download this. I'm going to tell you how to use that. Don't unzip it. I'm telling you once again, do not unzip it. Okay. Do not unzip it. Okay. You have a zip file. Just download that zip file. I'm going to tell you how to use it. Okay. Now let me share my screen. Okay, done. So after, let me download it again for you. Okay, this is how it actually goes. Just click on download here. Okay, just click on download, right? The theme gets downloaded. Please do mention the link in the. I'll do that. I'll do that. Don't worry, man. Anyways, I gave you the link here, right? Just click on that and download it. Okay, so you download it. Just close everything. After that, go to your this thing. What do you say? Shopify admin. Okay, let me go to Shopify admin. Right here, go to online store. Okay, scroll down, upload theme, add file, upload the zip file directly. Okay, upload the zip file directly. I'm uploading the zip file directly. Okay, just upload the file. That's it, simple. Okay, uploaded it. Okay, theme is uploaded. If you can see this, Shashank theme 1. That you'll get it the Shashank theme. Okay, theme is uploaded. Okay, let it go. After that, you'll get an option called as customize. It's just added, just click on customize. Okay. And now this is the theme that I gave you. This is the theme that I gave you. I'm also going to include in the WhatsApp group as well. Okay, after this, click on publish on the top. Okay. Click on publish. So now you replace your theme from debut theme to Shashank theme. You replaced it and it is there with you right now. And after that, just click on customize. And whatever you wanted to do, you can do it here. Right? So this is normally a very great theme, very good conversion based theme. Okay, you'll get good number of conversions if you're using this particular theme. For POD, that I'm telling you repeatedly, this particular theme is only can be used only for the people who are interested in scaling their t-shirt business. Okay, that's the reason it you have a scaling, a trending tees here, everything here. Okay, so that's how it actually works out, guys. So now, if you wanted to, just give me a second. If you wanted to change your logo here, you got a header here. Okay, everything, each and everything can be done here. So you select a logo. Okay, if you have a logo there, if you don't have a logo, just go to free images. You can have some logos there. Okay, upload an image. Let me upload a normal image of any image of my choice. If I have any, only for an example, that's it. Let me click on this. What's the difference between what difference in theme for POD and dropshipping? The customization part, man. The customization part. POD theme has got the magnification glass, and this particular theme is only for made for POD. Dropshipping, you'll have to put videos there. In POD, you don't have to put videos here. In dropshipping, you'll have to put product videos there. So the theme is somewhat very different in dropshipping. Okay, so here is my logo. Not that great, but just for an example. Or else let me go ahead and upload any other logo of small size. Let me check if I can upload any small size logos here. This one, I'm not sure. Okay, getting it a larger size. You can go to canva.com and do it anyways. Let me try doing it for you. Or else you can do one thing, guys. You can do one thing. Just go to Canva. Okay, create a design. Just go to logo. Okay, you don't have copyright issues here. You can go with any logo of your choice. Okay, just go with a cool logo for your site. So let me go with this as of now. It should be 2150 and 412. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure about the dimensions. I'm only particular about the size that it takes. That's it. Corelax. Okay. You can write here the comfort store or something like this. Okay. Right. Okay. Now I'll take a screenshot of this. It's okay. So it's coming here. Download this. Download. Okay, I got an image here. Upload. Let me check if I get the same size, or else you can crop the image or whatever it is, guys. Okay, I got the same. Anyways, you can crop it later. Crop it and not just upload it. Okay. So here it is, guys. I don't know. Let me remove this. Right. So go back here. If you have slideshows, if you wanted to showcase some slides, just click on this. Select the image. You have many free images here. Use any image of your choice, but don't forget to save it here anyways. Go back again, click on this, select image, free images. Men's fashion. Let me add some related to men's fashion as well. Nice images are uploaded already. Okay, so selected that. Okay, so go back. If you wanted to add a slide, you can add a slide. Auto rotate between slides. The timings that you can give it here: 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 10 seconds. Normally we do it only 5 seconds. Just don't forget to save it. Okay, you have trending t-shirts here. You can add all your images here. I'm going to tell you how do you do that later, but please understand this. Okay, let's go back again. So here is a footer. right? This is how you beautify your theme, guys. This is how you beautify your theme. Now what I'm going to tell you here is how do you create some pages and how do you create a collection. But before that, just give me a minute time. 1 minute time, I'll be back. Just give me a 1 minute time. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now let me tell you how to create a collection, how do you create a page and everything. I'm also going to give you some page related stuff there, what you need to actually include on the page. Okay, so let's go. Do not forget to save it. Let me go back. Now here you have some pages here. The must and should pages that has to be there on your Shopify website. I'm going to tell you that. Okay, add page. The pages that are must and should are about us, right? Save it, right? And after that, create another page, FAQs, right? Save it, create another page, contact us, create this page, save it. You need to follow the exact process, guys. So create another page, click on what do you say? Privacy policy, right? Save it. Right, create another page. Next is terms and conditions. Terms and conditions, just save it. Yeah, refund policy. Thank you. Thank you for that. Another page, refund policy. Okay, this has to be these are the pages that has to be there on your Shopify website. So after that, just go to navigation. So onto the top, we'll have about us, FAQs, and contact us. So main menu, you already have home and catalog. Okay, add menu here. What is that name? Is you have about us, link it to a page. It's a page, right? So click on page, about us, and just say add. Okay, next is add menu item. After that, just click on contact us, and it's a page, right? So it's a page, it's be a page, link it to contact us, add, and after that, add a menu item. Now it should be FAQs, click on FAQs, link it to pages, and click on FAQs, just say add. So your main menu is done, just say save it, just save it. Okay, just scroll down and sorry, go to navigation part again. Do not forget to save it, guys. So footer menu, just click on footer menu here. Okay, add menu item. Now it should be privacy policy, link it to a page, right? It is a page, so pages, privacy policy, just say add, click on this, link it to refund policy, link it to pages. It should be refund policy. Let's say add. I'm going to give you the data that has to be uploaded there. Next is terms and conditions. Click on this, click on the link, pages, terms and conditions. Add. Okay, after that, just don't forget to save it. If you wanted to preview your design, just click on the I button here at Online Store. Now you'll be able to see your updated menu bar onto the top. If you can see this, about us contact as a FAQs here. Scroll down, you'll be able to see privacy policy, refund policy, terms and conditions. So these are now updated, right? Now it's most important is now to create a collection. So before you create a collection, right, what you need to do here is you need to understand what sort of collection you wanted to give. So now you need to mind map yourself right now. So you are starting a POD store. Okay, my store is now basically a POD store right now. Okay, in this particular POD store, what all you need to have, what collection you wanted to have, and be specific on collection. Do not have something called as men collection, women collection, or something like that. Okay, for example, cat lovers. You are selling something for cat lovers there. Okay, or else you can write pet collection, sorry, pet lovers, where you can add both cat and dogs there. Pet lovers. Okay, let me take this question. What was that? Contact us should be in header or footer. You can make it anywhere of your choice. That's okay. Pet lovers. You can have here as a relationship, pride relations. Okay, something like that. If you are into sports, okay, you are selling entrepreneurship T-shirt, for example. Okay, I'm very not good that good at spelling, so excuse me. Yeah, T-shirts, entrepreneur, okay, something like that. For example, you are actually having pet lovers, relationships, and entrepreneur as your collection. So let us create those collection now. How do you create that? Just go back here. Just go to products here. Your collections here. Just click on collections. Right now, click on create collection. Right now, we have something called as pet lovers. Pet lovers, and just save it. Okay, sorry. Click on manual and just save it. Right. Now one is created. Create another collection. Another collection is what's another collection, man? Pride relations. Pride relations. Click on save. Right. And create one more collection. Entrepreneur. Just saved. So this is how you saved it. You created 3 collections now. And after this, these 3 collection has to be there on your menu, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to online store again, go to navigation. Okay, main menu again. Okay, now I'll add an item here. What is that? Sorry, pet lovers. Okay, link it to a collection, right? It's a collection, right? So collection, pet lovers. Okay, it's a add. Okay, after that, what do you have? On link it to a collection again. Collections, entrepreneur. Just add. Okay, after that, add menu item again. Here you have it, pride relationships, pride relations. Okay, go back to collections, go back to pride relationships. Yes. Now, just say, right? And after this, just now refresh it. Be able to see all this here. See, here you got everything here. But if you can see this, I think there are more menu items right now. Let us now what we do is let us create one more, or else if you wanted to showcase only catalog here, just go here and just put it aside. If you can see under catalog, there is a pet lovers. Okay, just click on this. Sorry. I don't know why it is not taking it. Let me remove it from here first. Okay, add menu item to the catalog, for example. Okay, let me add it here itself. So, pride relations, collections. Then we go to pride relations and add. Okay, one more. We have entrepreneur, right? Let me click on this. Entrepreneur, link it to collections, link it to entrepreneur. Just add. Okay, let me delete this here. Okay. Now just save it under catalog. You'll be able to see everything here now. Right? It is saved. Let us now see under catalog. You got pet lovers, pride relationships, entrepreneurs here. Now you need to upload your t-shirts here. That's it. Hope you understood till here. Let me know in the chat box. Can we arrange collections in a drop down? Yeah, that's what I did. So understood till here, guys. Let me know in the chat box. Yes or no in the chat box, please. Everybody, please respond. Okay, thank you. Now, now let us now concentrate on uploading the collection to this particular, Shopify. How do you do that? As I told you before, we added a. Okay, let me tell you the pricing strategy first. Okay, after that you can upload your own collection there. Let me delete this. Cut. Cut. I'm not able to. Okay, let me open a new one. No. Pricing. Okay, now we have sizes S, M, L, XL, 2XL, 3XL. Okay, these are normal sizes that we try to spend. Okay, we try to put these sizes onto our store. Okay, let me take this question. Can we customize fonts in navigation? Here in this theme, no, I guess. Okay. So these are the pricing for the variations that we have: small, medium, large, XL, 2XL, and 3XL. We are going to sell this. For small, what we do here is we are going to sell the small size only for $13. The reason being is we are going to sell it for lesser price because no person, let me take, no person will be interested in this category, in this size. Okay, maximum, let me type it maximum. So these are pricing strategy, guys, that we are putting here. No person will be that much interested in this size. Okay. M, we are going to sell M t-shirts, that is M size t-shirt, that is medium size, for $15. Okay. L, we are going to sell again for $15. Here you'll get less number of sales, but you're going to get sales, but very less number of sales. Okay. And Excel, you're going to get good number of sales. Increase the price here in Excel. Excel sell it for $19. Here you're going to get your profits. Here you're going to get your profits. Okay. For you, the size is almost the same. For you, the price is almost the same. Okay. You're going to spend around $3 to $5 for this. Okay. And again, to Excel. Okay, you are going to sell it for $21. Okay, and 3XL also you'll sell it for $21. 3XL you are going to sell it for $21. The maximum amount of profit where you are going to make here is with Excel and 2XL. M and M, sorry, L as well. Sorry, L you're going to sell it for $15. So we are going to make maximum amount of profit in L, Excel, and 2XL. These are the three areas where people are much more interested in getting it. Okay. So S, $13. Maximum number of people will not go for S. M, some sales will come, but maximum number of sales will get it for L, XL, and 2XL. So make sure that the pricing strategy that you're going to use while marketing, you say that I'm selling a t-shirt for $13. I'm selling a t-shirt for $13 so that people will come here and check your page, check your web page, and max number of people will not go for yes. They go for L, XL, and 2XL, where you make good number of profits here. Okay, any kid size? No, we are not going to do pet size. No, only black color t-shirts or multicolor t-shirts. We are going to sell maximum black color t-shirts. Example vendor price. We already saw that. Maybe you should check the last day's recording. So this is how the pricing strategy works. So the t-shirt that you're going to get it, the t-shirt price that you're going to make it for $3. Let me tell you here, $3 is the t-shirt price. Okay, plus $4 will be shipping price. Will be shipping. So you are going to spend around $9 on a t-shirt. Sorry, $7 on a t-shirt. Okay, and you can add $4 for marketing. For marketing, so $11 will be your cost. $11 will be your cost, and you're not going to make good number of profits in size yes and M. Okay, you're going to make good number of profits. You can increase the price here to $16. Here you can increase the price to $17. No issues. So here is where you're going to get the profits. If you're selling it for $17, right? You're going to make around $6 to $7 profit there. $19, $9 profit. Selling it for $21. You're going to sell it for $21. You're going to get around $10 profit. So that's how the pricing strategy will be. Quality of the fabrics, don't worry. That these are good. That's the reason why I am opting for Fuel by POD. I ever check the quality of the t-shirt from Fuel. What is the acceptance? It's good, very good. Don't worry about the quality. Worldwide, yes. Vendors from which country? It's good to available. Go with US. POD, Fuel by POD works for US, and the shipping rate is around 4 to 7 days. 4 to 7 days, maximum in 3 to 4 days. The customer will be receiving the shipment. Okay, go with US right now. If you're using Fuel by POD, POD by Fuel, go with US. Market maximum number of products in US regarding a t-shirt. So this is your pricing strategy. Any more doubts clear? Let me know in the chat box, please. If it is clear, just type in clear in the chat box. If it is clear, just type in clear in the chat box. Okay, then thank you. So that's how it actually works out, guys. So I want you guys to first beautify your theme completely. After that, I'm also going to give you a link right now. Just give me a second. Box. Okay, I'm going to give you this 100 designs as well. But I'm telling you one more important point, guys. Do not completely rely on these particular designs. When we receive the order, I'm going to tell you the process. I'm going to tell you the process. Don't worry. Okay. Do not. Let me share this with you. Share. Do not completely rely on this particular t-shirt design that I'm giving you. Okay, these are the 100 t-shirt designs that I promised. I'm giving you those. Let me put those designs on your WhatsApp group as well. Okay, I'm putting those designs in the WhatsApp Google document as well, guys. So if I POD designs, so you can use these designs to populate. You can use these designs to populate anyways. Theme for POD. I'm also giving you the theme. Just give me a second. Let me give you the theme. Let me go back to all files. Okay, I gave the theme link as well. Okay, just go ahead and start working on this. How to apply price variation as per size of the t-shirt. I'm going to tell you that. Just wait. I'm going to tell you. Don't worry. I'm going to tell you that. Where do you change the price details and all? I'm going to tell you that. So I also included the theme link and the 100 designs while I think. Let me open the screen and show you how these 1,000 designs look like. It's still getting downloaded. We have 2 minutes left to get these designs. Let's wait for 2 minutes. So what you need to do, just click on this link and download this complete data. And guys, I'm telling you strictly again, if you are very much serious about POD, the designs that I'm giving you right now are helpful only to populate your store. Do not rely completely on these designs and do not think that these are going to get you some sales. Some of the t-shirts are really good. Some of the t-shirts are really good. You'll get the sales, but you need to go ahead and validate yourself with that t-shirt to Power Ad Spy. Just check that particular t-shirt design on Power Ad Spy and then take a decision. But I'm telling you once again, do not rely completely on these particular t-shirt designs. The method I told you, the Pinterest method, the Power Ad Spy method, just go ahead with that and start working on this. How many designs can we upload for selling? Our 20 designs are minimum. 20 designs should be there on your store to make sure that the store looks professional. If you want the store to look professional, 20 designs are much more important. Okay, 35 seconds left, 30 seconds left. Yeah, thank you. Can we use exact designs by you on our store? Yes, that's what I'm telling you, right? You can use my designs only to populate. You can use this as fillers. Not every design will get you a sale, right? So use this as a fillers. Okay, if you wanted to sell that particular t-shirt, okay, correlate, check, validate with Power Ad Spy, and then take a decision. Okay, 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now I'm opening this. Okay, let me share the screen first. After upload, okay, let me take that question. After upload designs, any delete and upload new one, you can do that. When you talk about advertising, we have to advertise each t-shirt. Yes, you're going to advertise each and every t-shirt. You're not going to advertise the collection, you're advertising the t-shirt. So here it is, guys. So the designs are here. All the designs which I gave you are here. Okay. Just if, for example, you wanted to go with grandma, extract a specific folder. Let me put that on which folder? Let me put that on yoga folder. Okay. So some of the t-shirts are there here in yoga folder. Let me check where is yoga folder first. Okay, here is the yoga folder. So here I got some grandma t-shirts here. I got some grandma t-shirts. What you need to do right now here is there's a lot of work you guys has to do. Okay, let me go back to my apps, we already installed Pivot by Field, right? This one. Okay, just click on this. Now just check this out, guys, how I'm actually uploading it to the store and making it a collection. Okay, where is this? Logging in, just wait. So there's a lot of work to do, guys. Just start working. So create products. So create products. Okay, now see this. I'm going to take a $3 t-shirt that I told you before. New products added. That's great. Okay, just click on this. Normally we do designing with this t-shirt as you're starting up. Okay, with model. Let me go to with model. Okay, here you can change the designs. Here you can change the collection. You can check the size. I'm going to select all this size. Okay, select the colors. Okay, size. I asked you to go till 2XL. Remove this 3XL, 4XL, and 5XL because you don't normally have stocks here. Okay, here it is, guys. So make it $13 here. As I told you, the pricing variations, right? Make it $13 here again. Here, okay, make it $15 here. Make it $17 here. Make it $21 here. And again, make $21 here. Clearly, you can see your profits here. Clearly, you can see your profits here. But we are also going to add the marketing cost anyways, minus $4 is your marketing cost. So here it is. Select colors. I'm going to select black, this one, green, for example. Let me say done as it is. Just click on this. Now let me go to my desktop. Let me go to yoga. So here it is, guys. So let me click on this. I uploaded an image here. Let me take this question first. See, whenever you see the print quality is average, right? Try to reduce the size here. Okay, now the print quality is great. Okay, do not ask me question again, guys. If you think the print quality is average, try to reduce the price. See now, average, try to reduce the price. Okay, now it is great. Okay, let it be like this. Okay, that's one design. I got it from my side right now. Okay, now here, publish to the store, publish to the store. Now let me go ahead and create more designs. It's yoga, right? It's yoga, right? Now let me go back to Shopify and create one more collection called as yoga. Okay, create one more collection called as yoga. How do you do that? Go to products, go to collections, create collection. Just type in yoga there, yoga. Okay, saved. Sorry, make it manual. Don't make it automated. If you have large number of t-shirts, then go for automated. But we are very choosy in t-shirts, so let me go with yoga right now. Now let me go back to apps here again. Let me go to print on demand, that is fuel app. Let me log in, create products, select one again. I'm now creating a yoga collection. Just click on this, just click on mockup creation. Okay. So here with model. So here again, you can change the pricing. Anyways, you got the pricing details, right? So I'm not considering the pricing details right now. Just click on this. Right. I'm just showing you the rough way. So here, select colors, black, this one. Normally I'm selecting all colors which I like it. So, right. I told you remove this 3XL, 2XL and work on this particular pricing part. Anyways, you know it, how do you do that? Just set up. Okay. Again, the printing quality is average. Reduce the size. Okay. Make sure that it should be great. Okay. Okay. Okay, after that, we do manual for every t-shirt, or we can do bulk. If you have many t-shirts, go with bulk. But as of now, we are not working with many t-shirts, right? So grouped to one Shopify product. Okay. Let me tell you this. Let me explain this first. Okay. Just click on publish to the store. Okay. After you publish to the store, right? Okay. We created a collection called as yoga, right? Now let me add this yoga collection to the catalog first. Let it load. Let it take some time. Let it take some time. Okay. Now let me go to online store. Let me add this to the collection. Let me add yoga to the collection, right? Okay, let me take these questions. Is it necessary to give description for t-shirts? Oh no, don't worry. Fuel POD already gave you descriptions. Once getting the order, how do you send the same design to the vendor? Admin, I'm going to tell you that. Just wait. Oh my God, you already got an order and you are going to just wait. I'm going to tell you whatever is necessary right now. Okay. Go to main menu. I'm going to tell you each and everything. Just wait. Okay, these are basics. We are doing basics right now. Okay, let me add yoga collection there. YOGA. Link it to a collection, right? So collections. You have yoga here. Just say add. After that, just save it. Now let me add these t-shirts to yoga collection. How do you do that? Go to products. Now these two are into yoga collection, right? Just click on this. More actions. To add to collections. It will ask you to go to yoga collection. Just save. Okay, very easy, guys. That's the reason why I love Shopify. Okay, products are added to yoga collection. Just go to online store right now, but you need some practice to make sure that you go with better navigation. Go to catalog, go to yoga. Now you'll find these two t-shirts in the yoga. See this. Wow, that's great. So click on this. See this. Everything is nicely given. Here you have scarcity as well. Hurry, only 12 left. Guaranteed checkout. This is what I have done. I made this particular thing with my freelancer. Okay, so everything is there. If you are selecting an orange t-shirt, you're getting orange t-shirt. You can select the size, Excel. Based upon that, the currency should be US dollars, right? I forgot to do that. Go to settings. Go to general settings. That's great. Thank you. Let me make the currency as US dollars. Everything is ready for you in this particular theme, guys. The value of this particular theme is $120. So don't underestimate this particular theme at all, because I paid more than $1,000 to get this particular theme ready. Okay, setting saved. Now see this. Now let me go ahead and check this out. Now you'll be able to see that in US dollars. Catalog, yoga. So you are getting in dollars right now. See $13. If you wanted to get in Kiwi, and if you wanted to get in the size of 2XL, just go ahead and pay $21. Perfect. Okay, got some confidence now, guys. Got some confidence. Let me know in the chat box, please. Got some confidence? Guess in the chat box. Come on. Cool. That's great. So that's all for today. I gave the link in the WhatsApp group description on your Google document of both the links. That is, how do you work on the store, the theme. Yeah, you need to try once. You need to have a lot of practice on this. Can this theme used for dropshipping? No, don't use this particular theme for dropshipping. I'm going to give a best theme for dropshipping when we start dropshipping. This theme is only for POD. Okay, is there any problem with the PayPal for Indian e-commerce? No problem at all. But they have shut the operations in India. That is, you cannot send money through PayPal to another PayPal account. That's it. Nothing more. Don't worry about that update at all. Do not worry about that update at all. Okay, your business is normal. You are going to do a great business. Don't worry. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Yeah, you need to have a lot of practice. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you again. Bye.